Hey guys, so today I want to take you guys for a nature walk, and it's somewhere just around here. And we'll be using the bus. And yeah, to get to the bus stop, we have to walk for around 4 minutes, I think. Then yeah, that's just it. So come with me as we go for the nature walk. Yeah, where we are going is around at the corner. It's the far end of this sidewalk. Then we'll cross the road and yeah, that's it. We'll wait for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I think. Also, I don't have a microphone, and also I don't have a tripod stand, so you'll just bear with me because I'll have to hold the phone as I record and everything. And I think I'll get a microphone and a tripod stand by the end of the month, so that at least the recording and making of the videos is a bit easier. Yeah, also I know there's wind. There's not a lot of wind, and you may not be getting what I'm saying so much clearly. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice.
So
The
we
time
are at
of your life.
the corner, which I told you about, the intersection. Alright, so the bus is here. As you can see, it's coming. So now we wait for the second bus, which is now going to take us up to the nature tree, and that's also going to take around 5 minutes, I think, or 5 to 7 minutes, I think. So we wait. That's a different one. Now the one we're waiting for is supposed to be going up, not the direction the other one went. Yep. So after waiting for minutes, the bus is finally here, and let's go. Alright, so we are finally here. And we now want to start our trail. It's going to be a nice one. I can already feel it.
Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer.
That is jinaenda
Bring the animal back to
natembea,
life.
sina map, sina anything,
Bring the energy one more
just
time.
walking.
If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, 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 gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time.
Finally find a place that at least looks good, at least, yeah. And I think I've been here before. And the time I was here, it was very snow. Ilikuwa time ya snow. Alright, so nimepata, like, I've gotten some place yenye looks a bit nice. And the last time I was here, it was very snowy, and this whole field was filled with snow. I don't know whether you can see the one I'm showing you right now. It was a kind of snow, and it was filled with snow. And I was alone. Yeah. You have to get used to walking alone and doing a lot of stuff alone when you are in a different country from your home country. And right now I'm getting used to it, kind of. Yeah. This place in Awanga, it always has a very nice sunset. I'll show you later when the sun goes down. Right now I think it's around 6, and the sun goes down at around 8 or 9, I think 9 p.m. Yeah. If it finds me here, I'll make sure that I show you guys. If it doesn't, no, I'll make sure I show you the sunset. It's going to be very nice. Yeah, I hope so, because the last time I was here, I've been here actually not once, I think twice before the winter, then during the winter, then after. And it was really nice both of the times that I was here. So this is like the third time I think I'm here. And so far I think you guys are enjoying. I haven't shown you anything so nice, but yeah, I'll try and walk around here and show you some other stuff. Otherwise, I hope you continue to enjoy everything. Let's take this one. This side is not so much. So let's try if you can find something here. It's been a while since I touched natural water. It's been really long since I saw natural water flowing like this. It's so clean and clear. If I had been maybe in Africa, tumeshaoga hapa ndani and haingekuwa this much clear. Haingekuwa this much cleaner. Feels so nice touching natural flowing water like this. Alright, let's move forward to another place. There's a trail here. Let's follow the trail and see where it leads us. I hope we're not going back to the place we were at the previous time. I remember this place. The last time I came here, it was open, and right now, wait, it's open actually. I don't know why the sign says it's closed. This is now the dog park. It's an off-leash. I'll try and see if I can get some pictures of trees when I came here the last time, when there was snow, so that you guys see these trees were very they had no leaves at all. Actually, they were like that one. Yeah. And here we have, I think it's a dog graveyard. I think these are names of dogs that have died. And it's a graveyard. Yeah, these are graveyard. I think it's the name of the dog was Claire Ford or something. Try and make the videos a bit interactive, me talking in between, not just quiet. I find it so hard recording myself for the video and then posting it. Worst part, even listening to it is crazy. I don't know whether you've ever recorded yourself and tried to watch the video, maybe listen to the Okay, so I didn't realize that the time I was talking, it wasn't so much audible. And I have to say whatever I said that time again, so that you people can listen to it. Yeah. So what I was saying is that recording the videos of my talking in between is a bit tricky. It's really tricky, and I find it really hard. And, yeah, I don't know whether you've ever recorded something and you try to listen to it again.
A few moments later.
Learn and yeah, I'm trying to learn and get used to it, talking in between the videos to make the video at least interactive, something interactive, like yeah. So I hope I get better at it. That's just it. Also, so far I think it's been 2 weeks since I started making these videos, and so far I think it's been amazing. It's been so nice. Though doing that thing every day is kind of so hard, and also editing and making the videos and recording the videos without a tripod stand or a microphone makes it even more harder, because you have to hold the phone. And yeah, I know it's going to be better with time. It's going to be okay. That's the struggle of starting from the ground. Yeah, so let's continue with the nature tree or nature walk. Yeah, let's continue with the nature walk and see what this park holds for us. Come with me. So like I told you guys, the last time I was here, everything here, this water, flowing water was kind of frozen, and everything here, it was very cold. I think that time it was around negative 10 or 12, I think. I'll try if I can find the pictures I took. I don't know whether I took videos, but I doubt that. But I think I took some pictures. I'll try to show you guys how it looks when it freezes. All right, so there's 2 trails here. Which one do you think we should take? All right, we'll go with this one.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.
I think we are here again.
So
I don't know whether you remember this field.
But you weren't really mine, just something.
Yeah, I think we were sitting right there. There's a bench right there. I don't know whether you can see. Yeah. And I remember I told you that this place was not going anywhere. I think at the end of the trail, there's actually nothing. Okay, let's go and see. If you doubt. I know you're doubting Thomas. Let's go and see if there's actually anything there or there's nothing, like I told you. These trees are very big. I don't know what kind of tree it is. Looks like a cypress. The Christmas tree kind. This is the same tree. Then we join this one again. I think it's actually the upper end of this park.
I get lost when I look in your
That's actually the end. There's nothing up in the residential area. So whether you can see the roofs start from up there. So there's actually nothing. We have to go back. The sunset is coming on so nicely, but it's getting cloudy. I don't know whether you guys are going to see the sunset that I promised you. But it's coming on so nicely. Let's wait and see if it's going to get better or the clouds are going to make it hard to see it. The mosquitoes are messing up with everything. I've got a lot of mosquito bites since I came here. It's getting out of hand, man. But anyways, let's continue with the video. As you can see, there is another one here. The mosquitoes are finishing me. I think we are done. So let me show you guys the baseball field I told you about. This is the baseball pitch that I told you about. Then up there, I think there's a football pitch. I don't think there's going to be a sunset. The clouds are covering the sun, so it won't be so much clear. It won't be so much clear. I think we'll just have to go. That's it. That's the whole nature trail I wanted to show you guys. I had a little time in between the video to feel the nature and everything and the fresh air. So right now I think we'll just go back to the house. It's around 7. It's 7:30 and I want to head back to the house now, though there's still sunlight. The sun hasn't set yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, which I think I'll make soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. If there's something which didn't satisfy you, maybe next time I'll try to make it better. If you comment on it down on the video, if you got to the end of the video, actually you can comment something that you think I should, the changes you think I should maybe make to make the video better. Yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Adios.